Ready? 3, 2, 1. A quick ethics statement, this video is sponsored by CASETiFY, but I'll try my best to give my honest thoughts about their cases. Hey everyone, what's up? It's Kruis here with the new iPhone 13 that just came out. If you're planning on buying it or just bought it, you're probably looking for a phone case for it. Personally, I've been using the CASETiFY cases for the past couple years, and I really like how they're slim yet ultra protective at the same time. They've protected my phone from like numerous falls, like even the screen protector hasn't cracked. There's like bumpers that come above the screen, so even if it falls kind of face flat, it bounces off the side so it never touches the screen. I really like how high quality their cases are, so I really recommend them. They just sent me a bunch of iPhone 13 cases, so let's unbox them right now and let's check them out. I should mention that all their packaging that CASETiFY uses is 100% compostable, and then their cases are made of 65% recyclable materials, and the ink they use for all their packaging and cases are non-toxic. Whoa. Focusing. Oh my gosh. So here's all their cases. Let's check them out. They sent a bunch of sanitizing wipes. Whoa, check that out. So here's some of the iPhone 13 cases. They also sent me an iPhone 13 dummy phone because I don't have the iPhone 13 yet. It takes a while to order from the Philippines. At least this is something I can use to put in the case just so you know what it would look like with your iPhone 13. Let's peel off all the plastics. One of the first things I'm noticing, since the camera bump is a lot bigger in the iPhone 13, CASETiFY's new cases for the iPhone 13, they make sure to rise above the cameras so they won't get hit if it, does a flat down collision to the ground. So that's really nice. The design of their case is so slim. That's what I really like about CASETiFY. The way CASETiFY protects for falls and drops is it has a layer of G-Tech protection on the inside of the case, and that's what absorbs the shocks when they fall. So that's how they're able to make the cases ultra slim yet ultra protective. The G-Tech lining inside the cases is also made from recyclable and plant-based material. They sent me 4 cases, so here's some of the designs, but there are endless designs that you can choose from online on this website. And then you can also choose your custom print too. You can kind of just type whatever you want. Here it has my name, Kruis. So there's endless customizations that you can do with the cases online. I really like their designs and colors. Here's one I've been using also for my iPhone 11. CASETiFY's cases also have an antimicrobial coating which prevents 99% of bacteria from sticking to your case. So that's something that's really helpful to, keep germs away from your hands and from your case. Here, CASETiFY sent me 2 types of cases, the Ultra Impact case and the Impact case. The Impact case has been tested to be dropped from 6.6 feet, and then the Ultra Impact cases, they have like a little bumper on all the corners. These have been tested to be dropped from 9.8 feet. Let's go ahead and go check out the drop test that we did. All right, here we go. This is the drop test. For this, I'm going to be using my iPhone 11 since I don't have the iPhone 13 yet. And this is one of the CASETiFY Impact cases. So I'm going to be dropping it from about 6.6 feet. Just to show you, yes, this is a real working phone. You can open it, it's working. Camera is working. This is probably even above 6.6 feet. So okay, are you ready for this? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Moment of truth. Let's go check it out. Is it working? Yeah, no scratches on the screen or anything. Camera's working. See if there's any damage. Can't even see any damage on the case itself. That's crazy. And I've been using this case for quite a while too. So there you have it. There's the drop test, and this is with the iPhone 11 cases. And so with the updated iPhone 13 cases, I think you do even better with the drop testing. So hopefully that gives you a little bit more confidence in these CASETiFY cases. Hopefully that was helpful for you to see that drop test. I highly recommend these cases. I've personally been using them for more than a year, and there hasn't been any cracks or anything on the case. They've held up really well, protected my phone super well, fits in my pocket, and it's slim. In addition to buying this case for yourself, it also make a great gift for your friends or family. If you go to this link, CASETiFY.com/Jeremy Kruis, you can get 15% off your order. So make sure to check that link out. It's also in the description. So check that link out so you can get 15% off your order. Since I've been using CASETiFY for almost 2 years now, I can definitely vouch for its quality. The case has held up really well. This is my iPhone 11. The technology has gotten even a little better with their iPhone 13 cases. So I definitely recommend them if you're looking at cases for your iPhone 13. This would definitely be one of the best cases you can find. It's gonna be a lot more protective than just a generic Amazon brand case. Hopefully this video was helpful for you if you're looking at cases for your iPhone. Let me know if you have any thoughts or questions. That's gonna be it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.